Well, I am back, and now that I have finished my Let's Make a Hybrid Journal, which had 12 videos in, I am ready for my next project. So I'm going to go over what I'm going to do. It's going to be amazing. I'm Venus from Heart's Desire by Venus, and I'm going to give you a little backstory here. So I went to this used bookstore, which I probably shouldn't be allowed to go in because every time I get in there, I find all kinds of books. It gives me lots of ideas. And now that I've finished that series, which was 12 episodes, so it did take up a bit of my time, I kind of feel like I need to dive into another project, but I couldn't figure out what. As I'm walking through the bookstore, I found this. This is an amazing book. It's Cirque du Soleil, Curios. It has got some beautiful metallic-y printed paper, which is amazing itself, lots of them. But then, look at these images in here. Like the contortionist, all this. It's done in this, I don't even know what to say. It's fantastic. I can't even get my words out. It's kind of done in this steampunkish way, kind of. But look at that, man, The Mentalist. Isn't that amazing? But it did inspire me. I am going to make a Vintage Circus themed journal. But then I thought, well, you know, like those are amazing. That seems a little plain. I've done so many journals. I needed something to give me a little bit more of a challenge. So then I was going through Facebook and I came across Terry Lee's post at Sweet Pea Papers on Facebook, and she did this amazing Lapbook, which if you go through it, she will tell you that she got the tutorial from another lady who did it on YouTube, and I'll put all the links below. But then that got me going on lapbooks. How can I make a lapbook slash secretary for this theme? So of course, then I'm on YouTube. It's a whole rabbit's, not a rabbit's nest, but a rabbit hole there. And I was doing lapbooks from everybody, just to get some ideas. And I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a slash lapbook slash secretary. So there will be journaling components, but then there will also be my usual flips and flaps that I like, all done up in a nice box. So I'm going to say thanks, Terry Lee, because you gave me some inspiration as to where to start with this. So what I have done is I've also checked out a few people who sell vintage digital kits. Now I have a few of my own stamps and a few pieces of paper that I've kept from over the years that had this vintagey circus theme in there, as well as that large book. But then I found a few places, online. I mean, some of these, look at that one. It's fantastic. Online, and you got your circus clowns. It's fantastic. I love these, all the old tintype photos with the kids dressed up, the clowns and that. So I found a lot of these. I'm just going to tap my screen here. I will put the link below of all the kits that I am using for this project. But I found a kit from RomanticaArts. I'm just reading here. Retro Fantasy Company, Heart to Heart Digital, TheJunkJournal, Digital Mandragora. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But anyways, there were so many. So I've pulled out a few kits from some of these people. Like, I love this. And that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this book inspired thing. Oh, I love this one. Isn't that awesome? Anyways, so this is where I'm going. So if you want to create with me like you did in the last one, just follow those links and you can pick up some stuff. Go through your stash. I'm sure you will find all kinds of stuff in your stash. I'm going to be using stamps. I'm going to be using digital kits. And I am most certainly going to be using pictures out of this amazing Cirque du Soleil book. What a find. I think I got it for $10. And it's a little more than I normally spend on used books, but the photographs are amazing. So this is what I'm going to do. Hopefully you follow along with me. Give me a thumbs up there. Don't forget to subscribe, especially if you're going to go with me. I'm going to try and do one video a week for the next little bit. And I am keeping them short like I normally do. I don't want to interfere with your day and all your creativity. I just want to give you a little bit to go on and work on. So I will hopefully see you again soon. Have a great day.